It's time for enjoying nature.
There's a little section at the bottom of my hill that weeds grow really high and the city doesn't do anything about it. It actually blocks my view of pulling out of the street onto Quinnipiac Avenue. So a couple of times a year I go and I cut it down the old-fashioned way with my hedge trimmer, manual, my analog hedge trimmer. So that's where I'm headed right now. See how high these weeds grow? They're 6 or 7 feet tall, and you can't see to the left when you pull out onto the street. It's pretty hazardous. Let's switch over to time-lapse mode so you can see what I'm doing in way less time. Look how busy this area is. But I'm enjoying nature by cutting down these weeds. Back in real time, I enjoyed that, and it's much safer for anyone who pulls out of that street now.